Hi, everybody. You've just grown some germs in your classroom, and you've tested some sanitizers, some different sanitizers, to see how well they stop the spread of germs. You have some data, you have some numbers, and you want to be able to tell what story that data is telling you. Which of those sanitizers really did the best job, and how do you know? This sheet will help you figure that out. All you and your classmates need to do is enter your data into the yellowish cells on this sheet. So, for example, if your sanitizer was the school's hand soap, you would look up here. Underneath surface, you would write the surface that you tested. For example, if you tested a doorknob, you would write doorknob under surface. Now, first you collected germs when the doorknob was unsanitized, when it had not been cleaned. You look at that petri dish and figure out what the area of those germs were. If they grew to a size of about 12 square centimeters, you would put 12 underneath unsanitized. Then you analyzed what happened if you sanitized that doorknob before you collected your germs. Look at that petri dish and figure out the area of the germ growth in it. Put that number underneath sanitized. So, for example, if it grew to an area of about 8 square centimeters, you would write 8 underneath sanitized. What shows up over here is the percent of germs that this sanitizer eliminated. So by taking it down from 12 square centimeters to 8, it eliminated 33% of the germs. If you find out what it did on a different surface, say a cell phone, enter your data just like you did before, figure out what the area of the unsanitized petri dish was and the sanitized petri dish. It will figure out what percent of the germs that sanitizer eliminated on the cell phone. And it will also figure out what percent of the germs that sanitizer eliminated on average. If you do that for sanitizer 1, sanitizer 2, and sanitizer 3, you'll be able to compare how much each of those sanitizers eliminated on average. Happy data analysis.